Hello trader, with ADP non-farm employment change, we can see there has been significant change in the market sentiment on British pound and US dollar and euro dollar. Currently, we can see they started to move in the major direction of the trend, and from this daily support, you can see the market has managed to break out. So let's see what kind of trading opportunity we can find currently in both of these instruments. First, let's quickly look at the bigger picture, looking at the monthly chart to see what kind of market structure is forming. Now we saw that this is the monthly candle just closed 2 days ago. With this monthly close on GBPUSD, the market started to bounce from that level, and we could see the price potentially moving up to fill that imbalance in this market on GBPUSD, and we could see the price moving back up to the resistance line to create a new higher high. Now, if we drop down to the weekly chart to see what kind of price action is forming, now from the weekly perspective, we can see that here is the bull market starting from here, an impulse correction, and it is in another impulsive phase. We saw 3 weeks of consolidation. Currently, the market is breaking out from that consolidation zone, and with that breakout we can expect for this price to potentially move up again to create a new higher high in this market. And this is a liquidity zone here, and we could see that GBPUSD going up to fill that liquidity zone and then potentially creating a new higher high. Dropping down to the daily chart to see how the price is evolving. Now here is the daily price action, and the market almost has done as expected. We can see that there was in fact a very strong liquidity grab here with this daily bullish engulfer. We saw the price penetrated that level and managed to break out pullback. Now it is in another impulsive phase from the daily chart here on GBPUSD, and with that daily impulse we can see the price in fact managed to fill that zone. After this daily doji, it has a breakout and the price tested the 20 EMA previous day, also getting a strong rejection, giving a high probability for GBPUSD to remain bullish to the resistance line. And if we look at the 4-hour chart here on GBPUSD, we can see that there is an inverted head and shoulder formation here in that area on British pound US dollar. And with the inverted head and shoulder, this is a liquidity grab here, a strong breakout with the inverted head and shoulder, expecting for this market to potentially to trend to that level. And with that liquidity grab in that area, as soon as we will find suitable price action confirmation on GBPUSD, we'll be looking for going long with a high probability trade setup. Now let's look at that euro dollar. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity you may have. Looking at monthly again on euro dollar. Now from the monthly, we can see that this is the monthly bullish price action here on euro dollar. This is the monthly impulse in this market, and with that impulse, the gap open here, the price may continue to move up to fill that long wick at the top on the monthly. And with that movement, expecting euro dollar to move up again to that resistance line where there is a high liquidity. Now looking at the weekly perspective here, we can see that from the weekly, this is the weekly impulse followed by this pullback here, and there's weekly doji formation in that area. And with the weekly doji, what we can expect on euro dollar for the price to potentially pull back here and then to trend again to create a new higher high in this market. This is the resistance line here on euro dollar, expecting for the market to pull back and then to move up to create a new higher high. So looking at the daily chart here, we can see that that inverted head and shoulder has been prepared here with this bullish engulfer, and with that inverted head and shoulder from the daily with the bullish candle formation, expecting pullback and then to potentially to keep pushing high to that liquidity zone. From the 4-hour perspective here, we can see that there has been a couple of doji formation. Here is a smart money bought liquidity grab, and we see there is a breakout expecting that pullback. And once we see enough pullback, we can look for potential bullish trading opportunity in this market. These are the plan for both of these instruments. Traders, I hope that you enjoyed this education and analysis. If you enjoyed, make sure you give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel. And also for more update and education, you can find a link below this video for free Telegram channel. Join here to find regular updates, education, as well as trade ideas. Thank you, and I'll see you soon in my next analysis.